Hello, this says my name is Shaza, but actually I have a secret identity. I'm Batman. And today I'll prove that there is a Batman within each of you. If the Joker attacks Gotham, Batman fights him off with special weapons to protect his city. And every Batman needs his Batcave. That's where he trains to fight and engineers new weapons. Our immune system is our main defense against diseases and works a lot like Batman. Our immune cells can recognize viruses or bacteria and attack them with weapons called antibodies. These antibodies are custom-made, specific for each virus or bacteria. And this all happens in an organ called the lymph node. The lymph node is where our immune cells train to recognize pathogens and produce antibodies. While our immune cells fight, you might start to feel sick and experience the symptoms of the disease. Currently, the best solution is vaccines, which help us fight the disease without getting too sick. But vaccines have many issues. Developing a new vaccine takes 10 to 15 years, and even after this long process, some vaccines still have negative side effects. So you either get the vaccine, if one exists, or you get infected, get sick for days, waiting for your cells to make antibodies. However, there are many diseases where we cannot risk waiting for our own cells to fight, like COVID or AIDS, or even a new pandemic, because it can be deadly to us and the people around us. So why not skip the part of getting sick? In my research, I use your own cells to make a lymph node on a chip, not a potato chip or a computer chip, but the silicon chip behind me. We can use this chip in the lab to mass produce disease-specific antibodies. Then we can simply inject them into you to avoid the use of vaccines and to avoid the risk of getting sick. Together, we can unleash the Batman within us and make the world safer for everyone.
All right, so it's clear you have superpowers.
I mean, we all do.
So tell us about yourself.
I'm Shaza. So I'm from Palestine, but I was born and raised here in Abu Dhabi. I did my undergrad in Khalifa University in biomedical engineering. Then I went to Imperial to do my master's, and I came back here to do my PhD.
Wonderful. Wonderful. So it's really interesting to think about these particular chips and the idea of being able to use someone's kind of own cells as a way to be able to do this.
So actually we have around 600 lymph nodes already in our body. And the body even makes a lymph node when it needs one, kind of, in a simpler way. But we're trying to do this outside so that we remove the risk of actually getting sick.
Yeah, that sounds amazing, especially as I'm thinking about going to get my flu shot.
Yes,
and thinking
exactly.
I need to do it on a day when I can be sick the next day, and so this would like take away that entirely. So how big are these chips? It looked really big on the screen, but
so it's actually very small, like the size. It can be smaller, but we just engineer them in the lab out of silicon. And the holes inside are made by fabrication, where we put our cells.
And have you started trying these on any organisms to test to see how they work?
Not really, not yet.
Not quite.
Yes, like many other groups try to do other organs on these chips. So they've tried that, but not the lymph node.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, thank you very much. I think we'll move on to the next.